Hello hamsters, it's sent from Sprig Fortunes. And here are the Hamster Kombat card for today, which can give you up to 5 million worth of tokens. And I'm not only just going to show you the cards, I'll also demonstrate how to correctly read them, so that even if you are a novice, you'll still be able to claim the 5 million Hamster Kombat tokens. Alright, what we need to do right now is to click on the Daily Kobo tab here. That will take us to the interface for us to impute our cards. And now the PRO and team section is where we'll be heading to get our first card. And once there, we're going to look for the VC Labs. VC Labs is the first card we need to unlock to claim our 5 million tokens. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to scroll down and look for VC Labs. Where are you? VC Labs. So we're going to head over to the PRO and team section. So click on it. Okay, we didn't click on it at first, so we'll click on the PRO and team section, and then we'll scroll down to look for the VC Labs. Okay, VC Labs, VC Labs. Okay, here is it, VC Labs. So we'll just click on it to get this card. All right, go ahead, and then you have our first card. So we'll just click on it. So we're going to get the second card. For our second card, we'll head over to the special section, and then we're going to look for the card Hamster Kombat merch. Hamster Kombat merch. That's the second card we need to unlock our 5 million Hamster Kombat tokens. And here is the card. It's the first on my card section because I have purchased this card. So if you're new here, you may not have it in your card section. So what you need to do is to click on the new cards. You click on the new cards, and then you look for it. Then you just scroll down, look for it, and then you purchase it. When you purchase it, then it will not appear in the card section. So under my card section, you can find the card here, Hamster Kombat merch. So I'm just going to go ahead and click it, and then go ahead to purchase this card. So we've been able to get our second card. As you can see here, we've been able to get 2 out of the 3. Now, before we look at the third card, if you have not subscribed to this channel or you're new to my channel, welcome to Sprig Fortunes. Kindly hit the subscribe button and also smash the bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I post any updates on Hamster Kombat, as well as your favorite airdrops. And also give this video a thumbs up. It will really help to grow the channel. Thank you. So we go over now to our third card. For our third card, we also find it in the special section, and that card is the Hamster Green Energy. Hamster Green Energy. That's the third card we need to unlock our 5 million tokens. So we're going to scroll down. We're going to go to the new card section. Looking at my card section right here, I don't have it on my card section, so I'm going to go to new cards. And there you have it. Is the first on our list, Hamster Green Energy. So I'm going to purchase the card. Go ahead, hit the go ahead button, and voila, our 5 million tokens is ready for grabs. So I'm going to, of course, click on take the price. Wow. And you can see the 5 million tokens have been transferred to my balance. And there you have it. Cards for today. And so guys, that's it on this video. Till I come your way again, this is sent from Sprig Fortunes. Do have a great one. Bye.